In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a YouTube video using Loom. This is a great way to get a written version of the content, whether for personal use, accessibility, or to create content of your own. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open the Loom application and sign in. If you don't have a Loom account yet, you will need to create one. Just go to the Loom website and follow the prompts to get set up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're done, you'll be ready to start transcribing. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to get the YouTube video that you want to transcribe. You will need to have this video as a video file on your computer, and it's important to make sure that you have permission to use it. This may involve downloading the video if it's yours, or checking for terms of use on someone else's video. There are many tools available if you need to convert a YouTube link into a video file, so just choose one that you are comfortable with. Once you have the video file ready, we can move on. After getting your YouTube video file, go back to Loom, look for a button that says New Video and give it a click. This is where all the magic begins. From the options that appear, select Upload Video. The interface is user-friendly, so even if you're a first-time user, you won't have trouble finding your way around. Now, you'll want to select the video file that you downloaded from your computer. Just browse through your files until you find the right one, click on it, and then confirm your selection. Once you do this, the video will start uploading to Loom. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this might take a little bit of time, so just be patient. After the upload is complete, Loom will process the video. This is an automatic process where Loom prepares the video for you to use its features. Once the video has finished processing, you'll be able to open it up in Loom. On the right side of the screen, you will see an option for Transcript. Click on that. This is where Loom uses its technology to generate a transcript based on the audio from your video. You can watch as it automatically transcribes what's being said. This is one of the things that makes Loom so powerful: the capability to take spoken audio and turn it into written text without you having to type it out manually. Once the transcript is ready, you might want to review it, as Loom may not catch everything perfectly, especially with names or technical terms. Go ahead and read through it to ensure accuracy. If there are any mistakes, or if you want to make adjustments, feel free to edit the transcript right there within the Loom interface. Now, if you're happy with the transcript, you'll want to keep a copy of it. There's a convenient copy button located above the transcript. By clicking that, you'll copy the entire transcript to your clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you need, maybe into a document, an email, or even back onto a note-taking app. And that's it. You've successfully transcribed a YouTube video using Loom. It's such an efficient way to work with video content, and it opens up many possibilities, from creating summaries to crafting written guides. Remember, transcribing can save you time and help in understanding complex content, so don't hesitate to give this tool a try again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing.